what would you say are a couple of things you've learned along the way from this or other congregations about God and about being Christian from your parishioners?
Well, this one lesson I want to talk about, I've seen in multiple congregations, so it's not just the sort of church I serve presently, but I am perpetually amazed at leaders who can go at it hammer and tongs about something they really care about and not let their personal feelings change how they relate to each other. They can disagree and still sit on the same church pew. I remember after one particularly spicy exchange, my clerk of session said to me, "Oh, don't worry. They've been getting on each other's last nerve for 40 years, but they actually do love each other." And there are so many ways that we're supposed to be pitted against each other. At least that's what we're told, and unable to sit on the same pew. But that's not really, I think we all know what Jesus Christ wants from us. And if we get right down to it, I suspect we've been getting on Jesus' last nerve for a whole lot longer than 40 years. And yet he'll still sit on the same pew with us. It's incarnational community is what it is. And we need more of it.